we have Caesar, we have Edwin, we have Jeralise, we have Carlos, we have Eliezer, and we have Alec. All right. Okay, here we go. Our first Kahoot.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I'll be right back. Okay.
Yeah. I can't see it. Okay.
All right. So it said, which window does the clip appear in once it has been selected? So when I click the clip down here, it automatically pops up into this window, and this is your source panel.
Source. There you go.
Source. So we've got, let's review these real quick. So what is this panel right here?
That one's the source.
Right. And then this one?
Program.
Here's your cheat. Yep, your program window. Of course, this is our
Timeline.
and this is our
Project.
project. So project, source, program, and timeline. So if I click on a picture here or a video, it puts it in the source window so I can edit it. I can decide how much of the video I want. Then I can drag that piece. If I want video only, I would click here and drag it to my timeline. If I want an audio only, I'd click here and drag it to my timeline. If I want the whole thing, I click it here and drag it to my timeline. When I play the timeline, it shows in the program window or panel. Okay? So those are our 4 panels. All right. So here we go. Let's try the next one. All right. Number 2. Where do you place your clips once you've selected the piece you want to use? All right, nicely done. The timeline was correct. All right.
I'm the only one.
Oh, we got everybody coming up on the leaderboard. All right, number 3. When you create your project folder, which folder would not be included for your media? There's one item there you do not need when you're making a video. Document was correct. We need export folder. We want our audio folder and our video folder, but we have no need to put a document into our video. All right. Looking good. All right. Here we go. Number 4. The process of selecting the best video clips, organizing and renaming them is called what? Excellent job. Logging is correct.
I think this is how school should be 24/7.
You never know. It might end up being the new norm.
Amen.
All right. Here we go. Which line is used for your audio clips? A1 or V1?
So yeah, I'm in the comfort of my own home now. I got internet.
Awesome.
Yes.
All right. Well done, guys. Well done. All right. Number 6. How do you bring your video or audio files into Premiere Pro? And the key word is how do you bring them in? One of those is in and one of those is out.
Yeah, I think I almost got tricked. I saw that coming.
All right, good job. Import is bringing it in. Export is bringing it out. All right, here we go. Next question, number 7. Which line is used for your video clips? B1 is correct. Uh-oh, we lost somebody. Only had 5 responses instead of 6. Did anybody get kicked out of the game? All right. Going on to the next one. Hopefully everybody will be there. Which folder contains your Adobe Premiere Pro files? And I want to know, what is this called right here? Good job. Project folder is correct. All right. Here we go. All right, number 9. When you create a title, which window does it appear in before you add it to the timeline? You can see my title right there. Okay, that was our project window. So remember, when we went in to create a new legacy title, when we were done, it showed up down here. And this is your project panel. Then you took it from the project panel and you dropped it into the timeline. All right, here we go. Next. Number 10. Which folder contains the videos for your project? Okay, good job. Video is correct. All right, here we go. Number 11. Which folder contains music, sound effects, and voice tracks? That's all right. It was audio. All right.
I knew it. I just clicked the wrong one.
It happens. All right, next, here we go. Adobe Premiere Pro is a what? What kind of program is it?
I can tell you that it's not free.
It is not free. It's a very expensive program. But you guys get to download it for free as long as you're a student.
Oh, did you talk to Edwin? Mr. Gonzalez?
No, I'll put that on my list, and I need to email him. The one thing that I saw, it just said to call the school to make an appointment for him to do that.
Okay.
But I'll shoot him an email so he has a heads up that you're coming, or that you would like to come. But if you email him too, then he can respond back to you through email. All right, number 13. If you want your title to appear over a video clip, which line would you place it on? That means you want the video behind it and the title in the front. All right. Video 2. So let's just take a look. Whatever's on video 1, anything above that is going to appear on top of it. Think of it like your desk. This is on the bottom of the desk. This is sitting on top of it, and that's sitting on top of that. If this paper is smaller than this, whatever title 2 doesn't cover will stick out. Whatever this title doesn't cover, then the Eagles video would stick out. And that's how that works. All right, here we go. Number 14, what is the recommended autosave setting in order not to lose your work? Five minutes. Excellent job, guys. Way to go. All right, here we go. Number 15, which folder contains your finished video in a format that can be played on any device? When it's all done and you're taking it out of Premiere Pro, where do you put it?
My Kahoot is not loading.
Oh, no. Export was
Oh, I got
correct.
it correct. I got it correct. Okay.
All right. And the last question. Here we go. What command do you use to select a specific part of the video clip to be used in your project? You want it to start here and end here. What is that called? And it's these two buttons right here. This one and this one. In and out are correct. In and out.
Right.
All right. Here we go. Drum roll, please. In third place, Caesar with 14 out of 16. In second place, Edwin with 14 out of 16. And in first place, big drum roll, Eliezer. Nicely done. Our runners up are Carlos and Alec. Well done, guys. Well done.